Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a really cool tool that helps you see what's really going on behind a price chart. It's called the Elder's Force Index, and it's all about measuring the actual power behind a market's move.
Every trader looks at a chart and asks these exact questions. Okay, the price is going up, but is it for real? Is there any actual muscle behind this trend? Or is it just a bit of noise that's going to die out in a few minutes? Getting that right? Well, that's the whole game.
And that, right there, is where the Elder's Force Index comes into play. It was created by the legendary trader Dr. Alexander Elder, and he designed it specifically to measure the power, the force, if you will, of the bulls and bears duking it out in the market. So what is it exactly? Well, the force index is a type of oscillator. It's designed to measure buying and selling pressure. But here's the secret sauce. It doesn't just look at where the price went. It combines that price change with trading volume, and that gives you a much, much deeper look at the conviction behind a move. See, Dr. Elder figured that any important move in the market really comes down to these three things. First, direction. Are the buyers or sellers winning? Simple. Second, extent. Okay, they're winning, but by how much? And third, volume. This is the big one. How much commitment, how many people are piling into this move? The EFI takes all three of those pieces and rolls them into one single powerful line. Now, you're probably thinking that something that combines all that has to be super complicated, right? But what's so great about it is that the formula is actually incredibly simple. Let's take a look. And there it is. That's the engine of the whole thing. You just take the current closing price, subtract the last closing price. That gives you the direction and the extent of the move. Then you multiply that number by the volume from that same period. So think about it. A huge price jump on massive volume, that's going to give you a gigantic force reading. A tiny little move on almost no volume, you get a tiny little reading. It's so elegant. Okay, but if you just calculated that raw force for every single bar, the indicator would be super choppy and almost impossible to read. It'd be all static. So we do one more thing. We take that raw data and we smooth it out, usually with a 13-period exponential moving average, or an EMA. This filters out all that noise and gives us a nice clean line that shows the real underlying trend of the market's force. All right, so how do we actually read this thing? Well, the most basic, most important part of the force index is the zero line. Seriously, just think of it like the 50-yard line in a football game. It is the absolute center of the fight between the buyers and the sellers. And it's so easy to understand. When the force index is above that zero line, the bulls are in charge. Buying pressure is winning the day. When it drops below zero, the bears have taken over, and selling pressure is dominant. Anytime the indicator crosses that line, it's a signal that the balance of power might be shifting. Okay, the theory is cool, but how do people actually make money with this? Let's get practical and look at three of the most common ways traders put the force index to work. First up, it is an absolutely fantastic tool for confirming trends. Let's say you see a nice, clean uptrend on your price chart. You can just glance down at your force index. If that line is staying consistently above zero, that's your confirmation. It's telling you, yep, there's real buying power here. This trend has legs. And of course, the exact opposite is true for a downtrend. You want to see the index staying below zero. Now, this is where it gets really powerful. Divergence happens when the price chart and the indicator are telling you two different things. So imagine the price on your chart pushes up to a brand new high, but at the same time, the force index makes a lower high. That's a huge red flag. It's a little warning signal that the force behind that uptrend is starting to fade, and a reversal could be just around the corner. You've been there, right? A stock breaks out, you get all excited, and then it just fizzles out and falls right back down. A fake out. Well, the force index is your fake out detector. A real, genuine breakout should happen with a massive surge in the force index. That spike confirms that big money and strong conviction are powering that move. And this really gets to a core rule of using this indicator. If you see a price breakout, but you don't see a big spike in the force index at the same time, you have to be suspicious. It's a major warning sign that the move just doesn't have the juice to follow through. Now, look, no indicator is a magic crystal ball. The force index is awesome, but it's not perfect. So let's be fair and take a balanced look at its strengths and its weaknesses. Okay, so the biggest pro is obvious. It mixes price and volume together to give you that deeper look at market conviction. It's incredible for confirming trends and spotting those divergences we talked about. But on the other hand, because it uses that smoothing EMA, it can lag behind the price a little.
And in a really choppy sideways market where nobody's in control, it can whip back and forth and give you some false signals. It also works best on assets that have decent trading volume. So, as we wrap this up, what's the bottom line? What are the key things you absolutely need to remember about the Elders Force Index? If you remember one thing, let it be this. The Force Index is all about conviction. It trains you to stop looking at just a line on a chart and to start asking the real question. What is the power, the force, that's actually driving that price? So always remember those three ingredients: direction, extent, and volume. The zero line is your battleground, and its three main jobs are confirming trends, spotting divergences, and validating breakouts. It is an amazing tool, but remember, it's always best when you use it with other analyses as part of a complete trading plan. So I'll leave you with this to think about. By helping you measure not just the move, but the force behind the move, could the Elders Force Index be the very piece that's been missing from your trading toolkit?